Hey guys, welcome to another week's vlog. It's Monday and it is literally like 10 something at night. I have just had a really long day. I worked it's supposed to be 10 to 7, but I left a little bit early. Thank goodness. So last night we had inventory at work, so I stayed really late. This is a cup of water, by the way. I literally got so thirsty. I stayed pretty late last night. And then I am not someone who can just come home and fall asleep. So it took me forever to fall asleep. I didn't get a whole lot of sleep, but it wasn't like the most awful. But I worked today. I forgot to show you guys though, when I went to get those phone cases in my last vlog, I was like shopping for my coworker who was leaving us. And I actually found this really cute iPad case that I just wanted to show you guys because I thought it was really cute. This brand, Dabney Lee, I always see at TJ Maxx, but this was only like $13. It was on clearance, so it's like a marble print all around and it's just got the gold trim. And it's really cute. So my iPad is like attached with these little things on every corner. Really nice. But you can also like turn this whole thing. It like swivels. You can actually like turn it all the way around. But I thought it was really nice. And I haven't bought myself an iPad case in forever. So I'm about to take a bath in a few minutes. And I'm going to take my iPad and my new case over there. Because you guys know. What I like to do. But I am really like sore from all of it was just like constant either like climbing, bending, crouching, squatting. It's like everything you can do, you know, there's products everywhere, high, low, all in between. I'm just a little sore, so I figured a nice bath would be good. And then tomorrow I don't have to go until 1, thank goodness, so I don't have to get up super early. So I'm gonna have some wine and some bath. But before I did that, I wanted to show you guys, I actually got a box from Influenster today. And this is from the Vitamin Shop. It's called What's Trending Now, or that's what the box says. So this actually has 3 products in it, and the first thing is this Vitamin Shop Collagen Peptides Powder. It's an unflavored dietary supplement. That's what it looks like there. I was trying to like read about it, but there's not a ton of information. This says to take a scoop daily in a glass of water or orange juice, preferably on an empty stomach. Okay. But obviously collagen is good for the skin, but I don't know like what all the claims and all that are, so I'll have to read up a little bit on that. And then I also got this PLNT, Pure Living Naturally True. It's a brand, and it is organic liquid turmeric. So this is antioxidants. Of course, that's one of the strongest natural antioxidants, joint support, and it's good for cardiovascular health. Okay, that's good for me. It says a serving size is 1 milliliter, approximately 42 drops. Minners? He's trying to eat the tissue in this paper. It says there are 30 servings in this bottle. So just a little bit is all you need. Oh, it says up to 3 times a day you can take that. So I'll definitely have to try out this in my routine. And then it actually came with 3 products, so one more. This is the Mytrition Energy 100% Pure Essential Oil in Carrier. And this one is Aromatherapeutic Roll-On. Invigorating, boosting, and uplifting. So this one is Energy. That's like the kind. There's Energy, Clarity, Dream, and Relax. Ooh, Dream sounds good, but I bet it's lavender. It says to apply to wrists, nape of neck, behind ears, or wherever desired. It's coconut oil, mandarin peel oil, so I bet it's gonna be citrusy, tangerine peel oil, lime peel oil, orange peel oil, and neroli flower oil. So literally just oil. Very citrusy. I like the way it smells though. I'm probably most psyched to try out this collagen peptides because collagen is good for your skin and I'm trying to look young, okay? I'm gonna take my bath and call it a night, and I will probably talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it is Wednesday. It's Wednesday. I feel like it's really late in the week and that I haven't been vlogging because I'm working so many days in a row that I feel like all this time is passing, but it's really not. I ate some Chick-fil-A. I really wish I hadn't now because I was being really good. I am attempting to cut out all my soda, which I know I should have done that long ago, because that's one of my like biggest weaknesses. So I've actually been drinking just water all day, and then I put in some of the collagen powder I got in my Influencer box, and I put some limes in it just to have like a little flavor, which makes me hopefully want to drink it a little bit more. And I'm gonna buy like some lemons and cucumbers and things like that, and like strawberries too, like anything to put in the water just to give it some flavor, but it's like not sugary. That's what I want to do. I bought this like a week ago, and I don't think I showed you guys. I got one of the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadows, and I got the shade Perlina. I got this one specifically, I got this one specifically because it's different than any of the BH or Milani ones, and I have had my eye on it for some time. So that's what it looks like there. It really just does not do these justice on camera, because there's like little flecks of blue in this that look so pretty. Maybe you guys can see that. It almost looked prettier when it was like out of focus for a second. But there's flecks of color in here that are just so pretty. It reminds me of like confetti or something. I just really think it's gorgeous, and I can't wait to pair that with like cool toned eyeshadows. A lot of different things. Today I picked up the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Cocoa Bling. So I have had my eye on this as well, and this shade was out of stock for a little while. So I really wanted to try these out and see what they look like. I'm gonna get some with my finger because it like popped up. I mean, look how gorgeous. It's definitely more of a shimmery highlight, but I think in the summertime especially, that's going to be gorgeous. But this will carry on through the fall and winter because it's such a nice shade. It's just a hint of golden, but it kind of almost looks a little bit more cool toned on me. Glitters, I've been in a glittery mood. So that's all the things I have to show you. You guys will be seeing this vlog on Sunday, so if you are a mom or a grandmother or an aunt or godmother, happy Mother's Day. I am a cat mom. I feel like crying, and I don't want to cry in my vlog because I don't want it to be depressing, but Sunday's Mother's Day, and I'm gonna go see my mom and my dad. I just really wish that my brothers were around. It's one of the things about, and you guys may not know, and I don't think I've really talked about it, and only if I feel like it's really going to help people that I'm going to talk about it. I'm not going to talk about it just to talk about it, but I had two brothers, and they've both passed away over the years, and there's so many things about that hurt, losing anybody. But it's just like sometimes it's little things. Like today I was just trying to figure out what to get my mom for Mother's Day, and I would love to be able to call my brothers up and say, hey, what do you want to do for mom? Like, recreate stupid pictures of us, or take her out to do something. There's so many reasons why I miss my brothers, but I'm sorry if this is depressing to you guys. Sorry. But if you are someone who has lost people that you love, or you're just depressed, or you're anxious, you are so not alone. I really don't let people in person see all of this. So I'm scared to put this in a video. And if you guys want to know all the story, I will pull myself together. Like, it's sometimes very therapeutic to talk about things, and afterwards, you know, it feels good, but I never want to feel like I'm talking about something that personal just to like get a view, or just because I think it's gonna be something people want to see. I only want to talk about that if it's helping people or letting you guys get to know me better, because I know it's nice to have a connection. I do want to talk about it if it's for the right reasons, but nothing has impacted me more or made me who I am than anything else than losing my brothers. Like, it is, I heard somebody say it the other day, it is the reason I am who I am. So to not talk about it would mean that I'm not being myself, because it's such a big part of the mold of what I am today. But I also want to have fun doing my videos, so I don't know. But the main thing I wanted to get across is sometimes it's hard and you aren't alone. I've had some really tough days lately, and it's been a while since I felt this depressed. I have been really good and mostly on a positive kind of way lately, for a few years actually, and here lately I just can't seem to get out of it. And I'm in no way saying that like, oh, my life is horrible, that's why, you know, I'm depressed. No, sometimes I just feel depressed. Sometimes I am missing my brothers and thinking about them so much that it literally makes me sick. But never like, woe is me. It's not like that. Like, I'm not complaining, but it can hurt so bad. And now somebody's calling me. Hey guys, it's Friday. I know the last time I talked to you guys, I was like crying and upset, and those were all very valid emotions, but today has been a pretty good day and I'm excited to share some things with you. So I got off quickly because one of my friends was calling me and I talked to him for a long time, and that helped too. So at any rate, today I am off now. Finally, this was my 9th day in a row and I'm off. So I do not work again until Tuesday. Today is Friday. I think I said that. And I'm just excited to have 3 days off. In addition to that, I've scheduled my vampire facial. So I'm going to go do that Monday, and they're going to be doing a Facebook Live. I will link down below where you can follow them on their Facebook page so that you can watch it if you want. I am going to also do a video. I'm going to like vlog the experience and tell you guys all about it. So I'll have a dedicated video, but if you do want to watch it live, it's going to be Monday afternoon. We're going at 2:30. I don't know like how much time it'll take before we actually start, but between 2:30 and 3 maybe. I will try to let you guys know if they give me a more definite time frame. I'll let you know, and I'll also like let you know when I get there. I'll tweet it or something, or put it on Instagram, something like that. Also follow me on Snapchat. I will link all of that down below where you can follow me and see all of that good stuff. So I will be communicating that. But of course you guys are seeing this on Sunday, so it's only 1 day away when you guys are watching this. And hi, do you want to tell them what else is going on, Minners? Look what you're on. Do you see what you're on, Minners? Or you just know it's a box? And Sally's. Sally Wally. Okay, you know, acting like that's rude. Gonna be nice. Do you want to say hi? Handsome? Minna's kisses. Okay, so Minners, I think we should open this box up, but buddy, you're gonna have to get off of it because this will not work with you on it. Okay, I don't know what this is, so I'm opening up this box. Oh, wow. Minners, do you really need to do that? Oh my goodness. This is pure heavy. Okay, watch out. Watch out. Oh my God. Guys, look at that. Oh my God. What is live? What is this? Oh my god. This is amazing, guys. Do you see this? Oh my god. Look at that. That is so pretty. Look at that. Love the diversity. Look at all the different nudes. They're even wearing like nude clothes. So cute. God, thank you so much. I'm blown away. Look at how many shades there are. Do you guys see the shade range? 5, 10, 15, 20. That's 40 shades. That's amazing from a drugstore brand. You got to give it up for that. 4 primers, illuminating, pore minimizing, color neutralizing, and a green. Yes, my life. And a skin smoothing. I'm definitely gonna have to try out all of the primers, but look at all these shades. Oh my god, I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. Whew. Okay, guys, I'm blown away, so I'm gonna get off of here and I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, I'm at my parents' and I just thought I would say hello. It's Sunday. This is like this crazy wooded area back here. Like there's all these trees. But I thought I'd say hello and see how you guys are doing. It is Sunday, so happy Mother's Day. If you are a mom, happy Mother's Day to you guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I will probably vlog a little bit maybe on the way home, Zach and I, but we're gonna go watch a movie. My mom wants to see the movie Breaking In. I don't know. So we're gonna do that here in the next few minutes, and then I will probably talk to you guys when I'm on my way home. Hey guys, it is Sunday night. It's now almost 10, or it's like maybe past 10. We just got home. I was gonna film some on the way because I thought we'd be leaving a little earlier, but we went out to the car. One of Zach's tires was like completely flat, and it had like what almost like a cut in it, but it was like a slit in the tire. So I don't know what happened. It looked like maybe it like hit something because it was like in the groove of it, but I don't know. Something busted the tire open, so we had to put the spare on. So we're gonna get him 2 new tires in the morning, which will be okay, but it was like not a plan. So that kind of sucked. So we left and it was pretty much dark all the way home. So I didn't get a chance to end this vlog, and I wanted to say happy Mother's Day. Again, if you are a mother and you're watching this vlog, even if it's afterwards, happy late Mother's Day. And of course, thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow is a big day. I'm gonna be filming getting my vampire facial. I'm super excited, and you can go ahead and follow. It's called MD Wellness and Aesthetics. You can follow them on Facebook because they are going to be going live tomorrow afternoon. If you're seeing this vlog when it's new, I'll be posting on Twitter and Snapchat and all that good stuff too. So hopefully you guys will be able to see it. If not, there will be a full vlog to show you all about it so you won't miss anything. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.